everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off camera sound on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open camera application. Once you open the camera application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several icons at top. What you have to do is simply find the gear icon and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the camera settings. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here in the general section, you'll be able to find the options like storage location, volume button action, shutter sound, etc. Find the option for shutter sound. You can see over here right now it is toggled on. That means my camera sound is turned on right now. So to turn it off, simply toggle this button off. Now the shutter sound will be turned off. That means now your camera sound has been turned off. So that is how you turn off camera sound on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.